Today we're going to make some hummus. The equipment we will need is a food processor, a 1/4 cup measure, a tablespoon measure, a 1/2 teaspoon measure, a garlic press or a sharp knife. The ingredients we will use is 1 whole can of chickpeas drained, a 1/4 cup of tahini paste, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice from 1 lemon, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, and some water. So first into the food processor is your 1/4 cup of tahini paste, and your juice from your lemon. We're going to give this a whiz for a few seconds, and then we're going to give it a little stir around, and then we're going to mix it again to make it go really nice and creamy. Make sure that your lid's on and locked into place. Look how thick and lovely that's gone. We're just going to give it a little stir and then mix it again, just to make sure it's all really mixed in. Now into this we're going to put 1/2 of our chickpeas. Give it a little mix. And put our garlic in. The rest of our chickpeas. Let's just get that nice garlic in there. That's it. Olive oil goes in. Lovely. Let's just give that a mix. Stir it up, get it moving a little bit, and we'll put in our 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. Put the lid back on the jar, we don't want to spill it everywhere. Okay. Just so it gets to the consistency we want. I'm just going to pour it in through the top. Ooh, that looks delicious. Now we'll pop it into a serving dish. This looks delicious now. You can garnish in any way you like. Pop it in a little bowl, put a lid on it, and it will last in the fridge for about 3 days. If you make a lot, you can keep it in the freezer for about 3 weeks.